Hello friends, my name is Ilayda. Today we will give you information about the game project we organized in Java language. Introduction. Java is a class-based, object-oriented programming language. Java is a programming language that developers use for purposes of building applications. Java, which we encounter in almost every field today, it is used in a fairly wide range, including data storage centers, laptops, game consoles, cell phones, and the internet. Purpose: as a result of our research, we decided to make a Snake game suitable for our level and that we can learn. While we were researching what we can do with Java, we came across 3 or 4 options. These: Minefield game, number guessing game, Hangman, Snake game. The Minefield game was quite difficult. Others were pretty easy. We choose the Snake game with the last group decision. All of these games are created from Java. Designing this game, which we all played very carefully and with fun in our childhood, drove our interest. Another reason we chose the Snake game was that there were more tutorial researches. Although we could not have the equipment to make a Snake game, our aim was to understand the code thoroughly and offer you a game that works with various chains. We searched the codes for the Snake game from many sites, but most of them very difficult to understand and confusing. After finding a site suitable for our level, we started to examine the codes. If I need to explain the logic of the game briefly, Snake is an older classic video game. It was first created in late 70s. Later, it was brought to PCs. In this game, the player controls a snake. The objective is to eat as many apples as possible. Each time the snake eats an apple, its body grows. The snake must avoid the walls and its own body. The game is sometimes called Nibbles. Setup to Eclipse. We needed a program to run these Java codes we wrote. There were options for Eclipse or NetBeans. We searched to make a choice. On the site it states NetBeans and Eclipse Java either both offer excellent debugging capabilities, open source coding, plugins, and extensions. NetBeans is easier to learn and has more features out of the box than Eclipse, but Eclipse can handle larger projects and is more customizable. We downloaded Eclipse, but we had to download 2 more extensions to run and write Java programs: Oracle JRE 8 and Java JDK 12. JDK, Java Development Kit. It is the necessary setup to compile and run the code we write in Java. The package contains Java compiler, Java virtual machine, and other auxiliary package.
Friends, I am Batuhan. Today I will talk about how to set up Eclipse and how we made our Snake game. First of all, we go to the Oracle sites. We click the download button and install. Then we go to the Eclipse site. Then downloading Eclipse or download is done, we extracted it from the zip file and placed on the desktop, and after opening the application, we paste our code into the CRS file and Control V. If you want to, you can change the codes and shape your own snake or your color design. Play game, run this. Okay, restart. After downloading the Eclipse, it didn't run most of the codes we found on the internet. He only worked on of them. We have to work with these codes. We have tweaked the codes, changes in code, color of snake, background color, text fonts, speed of the snake, text size, points earned per feet, changes in code. We want the color of snake to make something more static and eye-catching. We made the background black to make the color of the snake bright out. Text size is small. We didn't like the text font and wanted it to be more aesthetic. We have growth. In the code we researched the snake was very slow and make the game very easy. We wanted to add some adrenaline and speed the snake a little bit. We made 1 point instead of 8 points per feet. The reason we changed the score per feet was to save the players from unnecessary match.
Hello friends, my name is Begüm. I will talk about from the Java. We did some research about Java after the implementation part of our project was finished. What is Java? It was developed by James Gosling in 1995 and released by Sun Microsystems. If we come to the features of Java, it is an open source application, it is object-oriented, it has a multifunctional structure, it is a high-level language, it is highly efficient, it is platform independent, it is an application that is processed step by step. One of the most important features of Java is that it is a platform that can be worked independently without being dependent on any computer architecture. What provides this feature? It is a Java Virtual Machine called Java Virtual Machine. Java code can be integrated into different platforms if desired. Thanks to this feature, it becomes possible to use the application without encountering a problem such as platform restriction. Where is Java used? The number of computers running Java is in billions. Java, which has become the inevitable program of every computer, enables many websites to run smoothly on your computer in the simplest terms. Antivirus programs, ad operator, etc. As with applications, Java is used in embedded systems that are not visible to normal computer users. Websites using systems built with the Java programming language are among the most popular Java usage areas. If you don't have Java installed on your computer, you may have seen that it fails even when opening the simplest website. If the Java programming language used on almost every site is flawless on your computer, be sure to update it. Likewise, many corporate companies prefer Java in their applications and platforms. We have already said that it is a highly reliable programming language. It doesn't surprise us that it is also preferred by corporate companies. Where is Java used? Another common area of use is mobile phones. Many applications and systems on about 3 billion phones are written in Java. Games on mobile phones, 3D, etc. Opened from websites, games or computer games developed independently also make use of the possibilities and practical features of Java. Java, which is also included in televisions as the first development point, is used in 125 million televisions.
Hello everyone, my name is Abdülhamit. Today I'm reading to this project for you all. What is Java and what are its main features? It has a simple use. It offers a practical and simple use to its users with its feature of destroying the finished object and automatic allocation. It is distributed as it allows multiple computers to run as a whole system on the same network. Object-oriented, easy debugging, polymorphism, and repeated use of code. Etc. offers features. In this way, writing a network program has become as effortless as setting and receiving data to files. It works independently of the architectural structure and platforms. Bytecode is portable between systems. This has had a positive impact on the creativity of developers and all developers. Its reliability is very high. It was the first programming language to attach such importance to reliability in design. Java designed by taking security first. It allows to do a lot of work. Multi-threaded feature is an underlying feature of Java. With the Vora feature, this program is written once and can be run anywhere. The JVM machine can be installed on every machine for free, being accessible by everyone makes Java preferred. Provides high performance. You can see it is Java Virtual Machine, the picture. So we are here, result. As a result, we completed our project in a fun way, although not easy. We didn't have any problems in group work. For obvious reason, we couldn't meet face to face, but we completed our work on the Discord application. We did not distribute duties in general. We did each step together. We are sure that this prior knowledge will help us all in the progress of learning Java. Thank you for listening to us. See you later then.